All right, this video we have a company that reached out to me, wanted to know if I wanted to review their torque wrenches. So they sent them to me. I'm going to hold this package up and let you see it. I'll let you pronounce that however you will, right? So does say they're made in China. It's a quarter, 3/8, and 1/2 inch torque wrench, click style torque wrench. So let's get the package opened up and get into it. All right, I'll get the camera down in a minute and show you this down here. This is pretty cool. I wasn't expecting this. I don't know where I'm going to put them now because my drawer over there that I just rearranged has all my ratchets and then torque wrenches laid out. But this looks pretty good in this case, so I don't really want to take them out of the case. And I don't think the case will fit in the drawer because it's a little shallow drawer. It's not a very deep drawer. But it even comes with, I like that knurling on there. That's pretty good. I like that. It even comes with extensions. Of course, it comes with, that was a quarter. This is 3/8. Don't have a name or nothing on it. Just says chrome vanadium. That's the 3/8. And here's the 1/2. That's pretty good. I wasn't expecting the extensions. It's pretty nice to have. Anyway, here is the 1/4 inch drive. Now this one is an inch-pound. Apparently it goes from 20 to 240 inch-pounds. I like that because you just pull this down and then you can rotate it. It's pretty neat. I like that. Pretty neat. And of course it has Newton meters on the other side. I like the colors too, as long as that don't fade to where it looks pink. Pretty good. I like that. I might try to set something up where we can torque something to whatever setting and, you know, see how the click is, see if it's loud or whatever, and maybe even compare it to a couple other torque wrenches. But that'll be it in a few minutes. Here's the 3/8. 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch is the same way. This the push button release. They are reversible. And of course this one has Newton meters on it too. I guess they all will. This one goes from 5 to 45 is what I'm thinking. Yeah. 5 to 45 foot-pounds. So that's pretty good. Get in small areas where the big 1/2 inch drive one won't fit. Most 1/2 inch drive ones don't go down to 5 anyway. Like this one is, looks like 10 to 170. This is the 1/2 inch drive. This is pretty good too. I have to say, I like it. I like it that it's black. You can read the settings on it really easy. I guess you can see that. Hopefully you can. Let me get the camera down and show you how it looks down here in the case. All right, there it is in the case. And of course, you know, these snap in where they won't flop all around. I don't know if the torque wrenches do or not. Yeah, I guess they do, right? That's pretty awesome. Nice carrying case. Well, maybe the 1/2 inch don't. It just sits there, but it's still pretty awesome. I like that. All right, let's get back to it. Okay, we're going to start out with the little 1/4 inch. I got it set to, I don't know if you can see it, but I got it set to 100 foot-pounds, or inch-pounds rather. Got me a little bolt in here set up with some washers. That way it has some give. That way, some people complained one of the other times I did this that I was already hitting the wall, whatever that means. So, got to put an adapter on here. Some people argue that this will change the torque. I don't think it does. And in this instance, I don't care because it's just a bolt. We're just testing the click, right? So let's do it. It's not a loud click. In fact, it's almost like the Craftsman. I'll show you that in a minute when we get to the 3/8. But it's all right, I guess, if you're paying attention. So let's get rid of that. Let me get it set up for the 3/8 and come back. All right, we got it set back up with the, or set up with the 3/8. Let's see, I got it set on 25 foot-pounds. I don't know if you can see that. Hope you can. Let's do it. Same bolt. And that was a pretty good loud click there. I like that one. That's a little bit better. And this one may not be so loud because it's freaking tiny, right? Yeah. So, let's get the 1/2 inch going. All right, got it set up in the 1/2 inch. Got to use a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. Again, we ain't worried about the adapter, right? And I have it set to 40 foot-pounds. I'm not going very high in torque because I don't know how much this bolt will take. And I might want to use this bolt for future torque wrenches, right? I mean, for some reason, people keep sending me torque wrenches to review, so here we go. Got it set to 40, I think I said. So let's see how good this click is. It's pretty nice. I like that. That's good. At least you can hear it, you can feel it. Now, let's compare that to the ANPUDs that somebody sent me. I don't know if it's the same company or not, but I don't think it is. So let's set this one to 40. Right there. Now let me get it set up and ready and come back. All right, I got it on here. This one's gold. And you do the same, you pull it down. Pretty neat. Same as this one. All these, except for it's red, right? You pull down on it. Awesome. The kind of torque wrench where you have to turn the little thing in the end, those are not really all that good. This kind is much better. However, the other ones will work, but you know. Now this one's a little bit louder click, but you can't feel it in the torque wrench like you can this one. I like that. So let me show you something else, just as a little bit of a bonus of what I was talking about the other day. Let me get it set up and we'll come back. Okay, what I was talking about the other day with these Craftsman torque wrenches. Hopefully you can see that. Right there, it is a Craftsman. If you know what you're looking at, you'll know that's a Craftsman anyway. It's got the lock ring where you can't turn the handle anymore. Instead of a collet that you pull down and then turn. And when you turn this clicks. I don't really like that. But now this is an inch pound and I have it set to 70. So I'm gonna show you what I was talking about. If you're not paying attention, when you start pulling on this, you won't even know it clicked or anything. Watch this. See, I didn't feel anything. Did you hear it though? If you're in a loud, you see that? If you're in a loud shop and that's already done that, you'll tighten it and then you'll come back over here and you'll tighten it again, and you'll never hear a click because that's all it is. So you got to be very careful when you're using these torque wrenches. You hear it? Didn't feel it, but I heard it slightly. But see, that's all it does. It just pulls. It don't click. And if you're not paying attention to that, you'll go past that and you'll over torque a bolt and end up breaking the bolt off. Because when I first got these, I wasn't paying attention. I was expecting a good click that you could feel and hear. And guess what? I broke a bolt and then had to spend the time to extract it, right? And we all know how much of a headache that is. So having a good click, if you're going to use a click style, having one that clicks loud enough where you can hear it and feel it is a good thing. That's the kind that you want. You don't want to be wondering, did it click or not? Darn, this bolt feels like it's getting awful tight. I don't know if I should go anymore, and then snap, god darn bolt broke. Anyway, just wanted to show you these that this company sent me. Pretty cool. The name there. Let's see, let's get the bigger one and show you. Let's see, this way. There you go. Pretty awesome. Now this one, or these are like a flat black, satin, whatever you want to call it, where this one is a shiny black. I like both of them. They're cool. I tell you, I'm kind of liking the black ones better that has this kind of etching on it versus chrome that has the sizes stamped in it, because I mean you can barely read that. That is very hard to read because the light's just glaring off of it and everything. Makes it very hard, at least for me. You may not have that problem, I don't know. But this style here, this is very easy to read. I hope y'all can see that. Very easy to read. Where's the 1/4 inch? Here it is. Even a blind guy like me can read that, even on a small one. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. These torque wrenches are pretty awesome. I can't wait to get to use them. I got so many torque wrenches now, it's kind of like, which one do I pick? Almost like the ratchets. Every time I go in there, it's like, I don't know which one to use. Just grab one. Just like this time, I grabbed my snap-on ratchet that my son gave me. Anyway, hope you like this video. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.